Hello viewers, I am Deepti. Today I am going to cover 2 mark question for ICSE class 10 history paper. 2 marks question means compulsory section part 1 which is carrying 30 marks. Out of these 30 marks, 16 marks MCQ and 14 marks these 2 markers, 7 questions will be there. So I am going to cover important questions according to me. First I am going to start with history portion. So first question is mention any 2 provisions laid down in the subsidiary alliance. Next, 2 ways in which the Indian soldiers were troubled financially. Next is any 2 reasons for discontentment among Indian peasants regarding the British rule. State any 2 provisions of the Government of India Act passed in 1858. Mention any 2 social reforms advocated by the British which affected the religious traditions of Indian people. What rights were granted to the Indian princes and chiefs after the revolt of 1857? यानी consequences में आ गए. State any 2 reasons that enraged the Indian craftsmen leading to their participation in the first war of independence. What was the General Service Enlistment Act? What impact did the uprising of 1857 have on the Mughal rule? ऐसे 2 पार्ट्स मिलकर भी आपके 2 मार्क्स कैरी कर सकते हैं. Mention any 2 administrative changes that the British government brought about regarding the East India Company's rule in India. Mention any 2 consequences of the annexation of Awadh. Mention any 2 ways in which British practiced social discrimination. The army was reorganized after the first war of independence. Explain. State any 2 factors that encouraged Indian soldiers to join the first war of independence. Encourage Indian soldiers. What is meant by absentee sovereignty? Why did Indians resent it? क्यों खुश नहीं थे इंडियंस? मैं सिर्फ जो क्वेश्चंस बोल रही हूं उनको सुनो मत. आई नो आप फाइनल रिवीजन अब तक कर चुके हैं, लेकिन फिर भी इन आंसर्स के आपको 2 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. 2 मार्क्स हैं तो 2 पॉइंट्स मिनिमम लिखना. छोटे छोटे ब्रीफली उन पॉइंट्स को आंसर देने की कोशिश करो जिससे चैप्टर की रिवीजन भी हो जाएगी. यही क्वेश्चन मैं 2 नंबर में बोल रही हूँ, 1 नंबर में भी तो आ सकते हैं, 3 नंबर में भी जा सकते हैं. तो आपको आंसर्स ये सारे आने चाहिए. तो रिटर्न प्रैक्टिस दीजिए, छोटे छोटे ब्रीफली पॉइंट्स चाहे हेडिंग्स ही लिखिए. Next question is, using the policy of expansion, how did the British expand their control? Explain any 2 points. Most of the Indians displayed a conservative outlook towards modern inventions. Explain. तो उनका outlook जो था वो conservative था. Subsidiary alliance was a step towards dethroning the native ruler. Explain. Subsidiary alliance में native ruler को किस तरह से हटाया गया. Mention any 2 factors that propelled the peasants to join the first war of independence. मतलब वो क्यों आए. Explain the immediate cause of the first war of independence. Why was Nana Sahib unhappy with the British rule? Name the 2 political policies of the British that created immense resentment among the Indian rulers. Explain any 2 problems faced by the peasants due to which they participated in the रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857. ये जो मैंने अभी ऊपर क्वेश्चन बोला है. व्हाट डिड द क्वींस प्रोक्लेमेशन डिक्लेयर एंड व्हाई वर इंडियन सिपॉयज अनहैप्पी विद द ब्रिटिश रूल? एक्सप्लेन एनी 2 रीजंस. नेक्स्ट, कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. व्हाई डिड पीपल रिसेंट द वर्नेक्युलर प्रेस एक्ट एंड द इंडियन आर्म्स एक्ट ऑफ 1878? Why was the Ilbit Bill termed controversial? State any 2 contributions of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. What steps did Jyotiba Phule take for upliftment of the lower caste and women emancipation? Trace the formation of various political organizations formed after the revolt of 1857. The revolt of 1857 was successful in instilling feelings of nationalism among Indian. Elaborate this statement कि कैसे nationalism आया. How were the artisans and craftsmen exploited by the British? Explain the achievements of Indian Association formed in 1876. Write a brief note on the East India Association. हालांकि इनकी बहुत डिटेल हमने नहीं करनी है. Write a brief note on the first two Congress sessions. Explain the term nationalism. Explain the Vernacular Press Act of 1878. Name any two prominent newspapers of the 19th century. Name any four eminent personalities who were a part of the first session of Congress. Name each of the organizations founded by Jyotiba Phule and Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Mention any two economic factors responsible for the growth of nationalism in India. Mention the two presidents, name of two presidents under whom the first two sessions of Indian National Congress were held. Mention any two repressive colonial policies of Lord Lytton. Name the two main associations that were the precursors of Indian National Congress. सिर्फ नाम देने हैं. Mention any two contributions of Jyotiba Phule in preparing the ground for the national movement. What was the influence of Western education on the minds of educated Indians in the 19th century? Write any two contributions of Lala Lajpat Rai to the national movement. Name the nationalist who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. State any one of his contributions to the national movement. State two reasons given by Lord Curzon to justify the partition of Bengal. Mention any two causes for the rise of assertive nationalism. Mention two important contributions of Lala Lajpat Rai. जो हमने contributions अगर movement के लिए बोला या जैसे भी बोला contributions आपको दो करनी है. What were the two basic reasons responsible for the Surat split in 1907 between the early nationalist and the assertive nationalist? The Bengal presidency was different before it was partitioned. State any two points to justify the statement. When was the decision regarding the partition of Bengal officially announced? Which day was observed as the day of mourning by the people protesting against the partition of Bengal? Or you can also say describe the day of October 16, 1905 in Bengal. Describe the two provinces decided upon regarding the partition of Bengal. Why did the assertive nationalists adopt the policy of non-cooperation with the British government? Describe the dispute between the early and the assertive nationalists regarding the Congress presidentship. Differentiate between the early nationalists and the assertive nationalists on the basis of source of inspiration, attitude toward the British. ये हमने सारे differences करने हैं. The assertive nationalists attached importance to education. Explain. State any two contributions of Bipin Chandra Pal as a journalist. Mention any two international events that shattered the myth that Europeans were undefeatable. Mention any two achievements of assertive nationalists. How did the manner in which Indians were treated abroad give rise of assertive nationalism? How did the region of Bengal pose a threat to British Empire? Compare and contrast the two schemes of partition of Bengal. State any two objectives of Muslim League. Name the famous pact that demonstrated the unity between the Congress and the Muslim League and when was it signed? Unite होने का. What were the clauses related to the provincial legislature with regard to Lucknow Pact? What was the Hindi-Urdu controversy? The British were responsible for the loss of power of the Mughals. Explain. Describe the changes in the objectives of the Muslim League. Describe how the Khilafat issue brought the Congress and Muslim League together. Describe the powers of Legislative Council with regard to Lucknow Pact. Give two contributions of Surendranath Banerjee. Give two contributions of Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Dada Bhai Naroji. दो contributions हमने सबकी करनी है, तो किसी को भी हमने ignore नहीं करना, क्योंकि किसी को भी ignore करने का मतलब है आप कुछ question छोड़ रहे हैं. Name any two leaders of the Khilafat movement. State any two causes for the non-cooperation movement. State any two causes that led to the civil disobedience movement in 1930. कॉजेज और कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज दोनों ही इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. What was the Khilafat movement? State any two provisions of the Rowlatt Act passed by the government in 1919. Why did Mahatma Gandhi start his historic march to Dandi? Why was the Congress session held at Lahore in 1929 significant to the national movement? आपने पूरा इसको थोड़ा सा explain करके लिखना है. Why was the Simon Commission rejected by the Congress? क्यों नहीं माना गया? Mention any one provision each of the Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed in 1931. इसका एक क्वेश्चन तो इस बार आएगा, गांधी इरविन पैक्ट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट माना जा रहा है इस बार के पेपर के लिए. State any two objectives of the non-cooperation movement. Why is April 13, 1919 considered as a dark day in the Indian freedom struggle? जलियांवाले बाग मैसेकर को एक्सप्लेन करना है. Mahatma Gandhi was a perfect example of preach what you teach. Explain this statement with regard to the suspension of non-cooperation movement. तो इसमें आपको चौरी चौरा का इंसिडेंट देना है और बताना है कि उन्होंने सस्पेंड क्यों किया. या फिर इस तरह से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, डिस्क्राइब द इवेंट दैट लेड टू द सस्पेंशन ऑफ नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए 1922 का चौरी चौरा गोरखपुर का इंसिडेंट आपने एक्सप्लेन करना है. What changes did the Congress bring in its constitution at the Nagpur session in 1920? What all programs did civil disobedience movement include? Why was Japan a threat to India? What were Gandhiji's view about Japanese threat? कि उनका क्यों मानना था कि अगर वो यहाँ होंगे तो उनके लिए ब्रिटिशर्स के लिए बेट है यहाँ पर उनका होना, वो चले जाएंगे, टाइमली विड्रॉल होना. तो ये सब आपने पढ़ा हुआ है. What measures did the British government take to repress the Quit India movement? The role of women in Quit India movement was truly commendable. Comment. How did the Congress react when the British government in India joined the Second World War? तो क्या reaction था? Mention any two objectives of Indian National Army. हम 1942 के बाद INA पे आ गए हैं. Mention any two contributions of national movement. Who founded the Forward Bloc? Mention any one of its objectives. When was Subhash Chandra Bose chosen as the president of Indian National Congress and whom did he defeat in the election? किसको हराया था? गांधी जी ने किसको खड़ा किया था जिसको उन्होंने हराया था? हालांकि ये रिफ्ट है नहीं सिलेबस में, बट आप नाम कर सकते हैं. एक्सप्लेन नेताजीज अरेस्ट एंड एस्केप, ये आपने बताना है. इसके अलावा any two reasons for the acceptance of the Mountbatten plan by the Congress. या क्वेश्चन इस तरह से भी आ सकते हैं, what were the two proposals related to the princely states in the Mountbatten plan, या princely states के लिए क्या उनके फेट में डिसाइड किया गया था, ऐसा कुछ भी क्वेश्चन करना है हमने. Name the last viceroy of India. State any one of the provisions of the Indian Independence Act of 1947. Name the three members of the cabinet mission. Describe the composition of the Constituent Assembly as per the Cabinet Mission Plan ने क्या कहा था. What was the immediate task for Viceroy Mountbatten? Name any two leaders to whom the Mountbatten Plan was shown. 7 leaders थे, उनमें से कोई 2 leaders के नाम. What were the provisions stated in the Mountbatten Plan regarding Bengal, Punjab and Sindh के लिए क्या provisions थे? Explain the provision regarding Governor General as stated in the Indian Independence Act 1947. How did the Indian Independence Act 1947 impact the appointment and office of the civil services? Name 2 states each of Group A and Group B, Hindu majority और Muslim majority, कोई 2 states as described in the Cabinet Mission Plan. With this, all the important questions which can be covered in 2 mark for history portion I have covered in this video. Thank you for watching till the end. I will make part 2 for contemporary world and civics portion also.